Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between services and goods. Both goods and services satisfy human wants and needs, but they differ in terms of tangibility, ownership, storage, production, quality, and many other characteristics. Understanding these differences is important for students of business, economics, marketing, and management. Let's understand the major differences one by one. Number 1. Goods are tangible items that can be seen and touched, whereas services are intangible and cannot be physically touched. Number 2. Ownership of goods is transferred from the seller to the buyer, whereas ownership is not transferred in services and only the benefit of the service is received. Number 3. Goods are produced first and consumed later, whereas services are produced and consumed simultaneously. Number 4. Goods can be stored for future use, whereas services are perishable and cannot be stored for later consumption. Number 5. Goods can be standardized and produced uniformly, whereas services are often customized and vary from provider to provider. Number 6. The quality of goods tends to remain consistent, whereas the quality of services may vary depending on who provides them and when they are provided. Number 7. Customers usually have little or no involvement in the production of goods, whereas customers often participate directly in the service delivery process. Number 8. Buyers and sellers are generally separate during the production of goods, whereas service providers and customers usually interact directly during service delivery. Number 9. The value of goods is measured through physical features and characteristics, whereas the value of services is measured through benefits, experiences, and satisfaction. Number 10. Goods can often be returned, exchanged, or resold, whereas services generally cannot be returned or resold after they have been provided. Number 11. Goods can be transported from one location to another, whereas services themselves cannot be transported and usually require the provider or customer to move. Number 12. Businesses maintain inventories of goods, whereas services cannot be inventoried because they do not exist before being delivered. Number 13. Goods can be resold to another buyer after purchase, whereas services cannot usually be transferred or resold to another person. Number 14. Examples of goods include cars, books, laptops, furniture, and mobile phones, whereas examples of services include teaching, banking, healthcare, consulting, and transportation. Number 15. Marketing of goods focuses mainly on product features, quality, and specifications, whereas marketing of services focuses more on customer experience, benefits, and relationships. Conclusion. In summary, goods are physical products that can be owned, stored, transported, and resold, whereas services are intangible activities that are consumed as they are delivered and cannot usually be stored or transferred. Both goods and services play an essential role in satisfying human needs and supporting economic activities. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.